So guys, we got the OG Lamar Jackson.
Captain Lamar.
Captain
right
Lamar
here.
down here. What's the name of your company, Lamar?
Jackson Water Sport.
Jackson Water Sports. So he's sticking us out in his beautiful 28 foot, right?
28 foot sail.
28. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. Check this thing out. And then we got Victor back here, the guy that's going to do all the work. Victor, we are excited. We're going out today with just me and Allison. We are going to probably go out tomorrow with everybody, all 6 of us. So we're going to look for some snapper, some grouper, and we're going to try maybe some bonefish first. Never caught a bonefish. So we're going to check that out and see. So we're excited to go.
You want to bait him?
I get him.
We just hook him through the nose.
Yeah, I saw where he was hooked. Right through here.
Yes, sir.
Yep. All right, live bait number 2 going down. Am I just dropping it and letting it drift? Okay. All right, Victor hooked up with our first fish. Gave me the rod. Oh, Barracuda. Little Barracuda action. All right, our first fish in the Caymans.
Monster.
Monster. There he is, there he is, there he is. Got him. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish right there, y'all. That's a good fish, something. I just called it too. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh, big old Barracuda. Big old Barracuda, baby. He is giving some acrobatics, that Barracuda is. There he is. Come here, big boy. For a minute, I thought we might have a snapper.
Me too.
Yep. Right. Yeah. If you do, Allison, you might not want to watch. They might gaff it. She don't want to watch that. Yeah, this guy's got some fight in him. Yeah. Yeah, he got me in it. He got me in the engine.
You got an engine?
Yeah, I tried. Well, right there, he cut me off right there. I guess it wasn't the engine.
It's still good. He just pulled the hook.
Oh yeah, he just pulled the hook. Yeah, that was fun. That was better than having to gaff him, right?
Yeah.
Oh, big Barracuda. I think bigger than the last one. Yeah, big Barracuda. We haven't found any snapper, but with the Barracuda, we got our baits. With that rod, y'all. All right, we're getting rid of the boat. What are we doing, gentlemen? Are we gaffing? What are we doing? We're gonna gaff him, Allison. So. Oh God, that's a big Barracuda, baby. Look at that guy right there. Nice Barracuda. He was not done.
What are we talking about?
We got some bait for these guys. Look at that Barracuda, baby.
Big one.
Awesome. All right, here we go. Look at this guy. Check out his teeth. Check out his teeth right here. There you go, big old barracuda. All right, awesome. Hey guys, we're gonna try to find some bonefish. It's very windy today. We struggle to find the snapper and the grouper, but Lamar, tell us what we do to try to find these bonefish.
Well, all we do is drive around and we look for where you see the whitest areas. That's where the bonefish are just digging up stirring up the bottom, and they're looking for crabs and shrimps and all that stuff, and that makes it all actionist for every kind of fish that's out there. So as you can see, we got a few of them in the back here, the white spots. That's where the bonefish are located.
So he was showing me, and I didn't know what he was talking about, but like white circles coming up from the bottom, that's where they're digging on the bottom for about 12 foot of water, and the white comes up because they're digging in the bottom for crustaceans for food. So I just learned something. Maybe you learned something too. All right, let's find a bonefish, people. Jig head with some shrimp for some bonefish. There he is. Got him. Yeah, hooked. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, I think we have a bonefish on.
That might be him.
I think, come on, be a bonefish. Be a bonefish.
Jack.
Oh, it's a jack. That's all right. I'll take him.
Fish is the fish. Yellow jack.
All right, we got a yellow jack, y'all. Thought I had my first bonefish ever, but I'll take him. Whoa.
Didn't took off.
All right, a little yellow jack. Oh, see you, dude. Yeah, there's a bite. There's a bite. Got it. Got him. There we go. Not real big though. Not real big.
No, that was him. He was
Yeah,
shot
that's
off.
not him.
Another yellow jack, smaller one.
Small little yellow jack. Listen to him. Yep. If you were bigger, buddy, you might be sashimi, but you're not big enough. Allison said, release him. There he goes.
Oh, really big snapper.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, we just got the jack. Now we got either a bone or maybe a snapper. Right on the edge of that where Lamar said they would be. Oh baby, come on, be a bonefish. Should I tighten drag up some or no? Should I tighten drag up some or?
If you decked already, you just a little bit tight already. So
Okay, I'll leave it.
I don't think it's a bone, but that's pretty heavy.
Yeah,
You never know.
it could be a jack.
Yeah.
Could be a bigger jack.
Jack or yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're looking for some color. Some going around, I guess. Keep him here. Okay. Okay. This is a good sized fish, whatever it is. It's gonna be a jack, watch. That's right. That'd be nice to be a big old mutton. 20-inch mutton. I don't have any color yet. Oh, it's a permit. It's a permit, baby. Yes, it's a permit. I've caught one permit in my lifetime. You got a net to get him? Yeah. How do you want to do? We're gonna keep him. We're gonna keep him.
You want to keep him?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
He's good eating.
if you're gonna keep him, we can yak him.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't want to lift him in.
Yeah. We're gonna keep him. So let's.
That's a good one.
That's a great fish, y'all.
Come here, buddy.
Oh yes, y'all.
Good job, sir.
Yes, awesome.
And he was fighting really hard to be a bone, man.
Yeah, that's a beautiful fish.
Yeah.
I've caught one permit in my lifetime. It was 18 inches at the fork.
Okay.
This is quite a bit bigger.
This one.
Check out this permit, y'all. He's 18 inches at the fork. I've got one before in St. Augustine. This guy's quite a bit bigger. Beautiful fish. All right, thanks, Mark.
Welcome, buddy.
Good morning, gentlemen. We got a party today. Was it better out there, Shane? A little better. Good. Okay, good. Look right there, guys. The bonefish, you can see their tails and their fins sticking out right there. That's where we're going. Lamar Jackson's got us on some bonefish. We're about to be hooked up. This is going to be, oh, dude. I'm like a 5-year-old kid right now in a candy store.
Hey, Greg.
That's awesome.
Little guy.
Little shad. There we go. Oh,
Greg.
here we go. We got a little bonefish on. Y'all, we have baby bonefish. Oh, a barracuda.
All the bonefish go in the front of them, Mr. Greg.
Yep, barracuda. You got a bait for me? Barracuda, leave my bait alone, dude. I am looking for a bonefish.
Yeah, big one still. Yeah, that's a good shot.
My rod is. I believe that barracuda took it.
There, Doc. Just felt it straight in the head.
Yep, got it. Right there.
They were all over. That was the opposite 100 of them.
Oh, there was a ton of them.
They're probably going to come out in that shot with them here.
Should I wait or should I throw out? Should we wait to see them?
Yeah, I want to wait.
I know.
Yeah, if that red grunt, that little barracuda didn't mess around, you probably would definitely get him.
Yep. Oh, there we go. I'm getting better. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm on. That was quick. Probably a jack, probably. That was really fast.
Little snapper.
Oh, it's a lane snapper. We call it a lane. Is that a mutton? No, it's a mutton. That is a mutton, yeah. A little bit bigger, we'd keep that guy. It's giving you a little bit of...
We got a monster out here.
I'm just a weenie.
Big shad.
Big shad.
Fight for a little guy.
That wide body.
Yeah. Beautiful too.
There, yeah, he's got friends. So I released a little one out, and when I was in the Keys, I threw a little one in, and a giant one came and ate the one I released. Yeah.
Get out of here. Yeah.
Hey guys.
I get him. Let me get him. It'll be good for me to get him, yeah. Calm down, dude. Calm down. Honey. This ain't my first rodeo or my first barracuda. All right, let's throw you back and have a big one each. You ready? All right, see you, dude. Oh, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, he's got me. Yep. No, he didn't take it. Oh, he's back. I did. Got him. There he is. I got him. It's a barracuda, right? Yeah. Another barracuda. Hey, one of y'all want to bring it in? He's decent size.
Oh, you need the help thing, or you got? I don't know if I told you, but I found part of it too. I don't know that I want. Well, I mean, you know, in hindsight, you don't deserve it. Bragging is very like showing for it.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah, I can't imagine getting.
Victor's like,
Is he snaggletooth? Want to find hills from there.
just the size that you can handle.
That's the size.
Take out those teeth.
Now keep it for a bit.
Keep it for a bit, brother.
All right.
Give him a kiss, Greg.
Holy moly.
I ain't kissing. They stink like crazy, dude. Well, he's fighting better than he looks. Here, I'll let you grab this guy.
You didn't take long to grab that either.
Nope. Cuter number 4 or 5 or 6. All right, y'all, we're gonna just went snorkeling, and you saw the footage so far with Lamar. We had a great time with Lamar. He's a great guy. The fish just weren't biting. It was really windy out there. We just caught a bunch of barracuda. We got into those bonefish and couldn't do much with those. We threw into one set and the barracuda took it instead of the bonefish. So I'm gonna fish right here. I just snorkeled with my wife, and this dock next to us has a bunch of little snapper on it, some keepers. And I'm gonna try to catch a little bit of dinner for us. So let's see what happens right here. There we go, fish on, y'all, fish on. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get broke off. Oh my gosh. Did y'all see that? Oh, and something came back and got it now when I was reeling it in. That first fish was big. First drop, y'all. First drop, big fish. Oh my gosh. My drag was not set tight enough. That was stupid. It's a pretty little fish. Yep, we're getting bit. Got one. Not a real big fish, but we got a fish. Yes. It's a little gray snapper. Guess it's just a little bit too small to keep. Oh, there we go. There's a good fish. There's a keeper. Oh, that's a keeper. Yeah, there we go. That's what we're waiting for. That's a keeper. We're going to keep this guy. There we go. There's a keeper. That's exactly what I've been waiting for. Just need one more of these guys. And this is a good 12-inch mango right here. See, where's that little barracuda? Maybe he'll.
One right there on the bottom.
That barracuda will probably break this. I got 30-pound leader on here. It might hold. Where are they at? Do you see them? I'd almost rather not. They're right there. I'd almost rather not see them. Yeah, I know. Oh, the barracuda got it. Okay, we're on with the barracuda.
Man, he hit that thing quick, didn't he?
Yeah, he's probably going to break me off. Because his teeth, and this is a little jig. Oh no, I think I've got him hooked good. I don't think he's going to break me up.
That'll be fun.
Look at him. There we go. Oh, come on back here, dude. Don't go over the dock. Oh, I hope he didn't break it. He did break it. Dang it. That was my one little jig I had. Got him. Little mangrove. These are a lot more light colored than ours are. I think that's the same kind of fish, mangrove. See, dude. More fish on. This does not feel like a barracuda this time. This is a decent fish. It's a good snapper. Oh, it's a mutton. It's a decent little mutton. Oh yeah, that's a good little mutton right there. For off the dock. Check him out. Beautiful little fish. Awesome, dude. Thanks for that. That was fun. See ya. There we got him. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good little fish. Trying to pull some drag. Another little mutton. This is two good muttons now. This is what we were trying to catch with the charter. We'd try to, obviously bigger ones. Look at this, two good ones in a row. These are two keepers. Oh, there he goes. All right, well, Allison and I are headed home. We had an amazing trip this week to the Cayman Islands. Thank you, Susan and Russell, for your hospitality. It was an amazing week. There's a lot in the video that I didn't show because obviously this is a fishing channel, so I showed mostly fishing stuff. Also, Karen, great meeting you, and Chris, we had a great time with you as well. So we're headed home. It was an amazing week. The fishing wasn't as great as we wanted it to be. We had very, very high winds all week. I was not able to even get my fly rod out one time. And so I did catch one bonefish. I caught him on camera underwater when I was snorkeling. Yeah, we fished all day for bonefish, and I saw one on snorkeling, so that was kind of, I think, God teasing me. But we had a lot of fun with the Barracuda we caught, and of course the permit was a great catch, biggest permit I've ever caught, and we had him for dinner, and it was delicious. So an amazing week in the Cayman Islands. So I'm going to go fishing, I think, in a couple days in St. Augustine and try to get on some fish there. So thank you guys for watching this episode. Please like and subscribe and share. And again, Russell and Susan, thank you so much. As always, God bless.